Hello friends, this is a hand basin, a sink for the bathroom that is formed by two parts. The top is made of stone and the bottom part that goes stuck underneath. It is stuck. Now, this is the second time it unsticks. It fell, at least it didn't break, but we are kind of tired of having this problem. The idea is for this to be permanent for years and years and so on. But twice it is unstuck. So we're going to change the system. I'm not going to stick it back on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this part over the top, fit it in there, and that would mean that this piece here, there is an overflow, I have to cut it out from the stone here. Now, I have never cut stone, and it's very possible that it'll break. Now, you're going to be the witness of what happens here if it breaks or it doesn't. If it breaks, I'm going to have to change this for something else. We didn't want to waste money because we don't have much money right now. So we're going to attempt to make this, adapt this without money. Well, this is what we can call plumbing sculpture. Let's see now if it will fit. Okay. The tap won't turn to its straight position, so I still have to remove a bit of material and take it down at least 1 centimeter more. That means we have to take off a bit more here and a bit there. Well, that's it. It has a good fit. The tap can turn there. There's a good space there. It's a bit high, but still, I've seen worse. These basins are so high. And we only need now to put silicone all around here to make sure the water can leak down into it. The floor. Well, there it is. I fixed it, stuck it with silicone all around. We don't have very good light here, so can't see it much detail, but there you have the result. A bit above the surface, but I've seen worse ones. Maybe we can sandpaper this to get a bit whiter color, but it'll never be the same as that. Well, I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please remember give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.